Doc Doodle. Welcome to the Doc Doodle. Do like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon.
Ravi, you crack your knuckles all the time. You know that causes arthritis, right?
Wait, really? My mom says the same thing. Am I in danger?
Actually, that's just a myth. The popping sound isn't your bones. It's tiny gas bubbles bursting inside your joint fluid.
So it doesn't harm the joints.
Nope. Studies found no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. One scientist even cracked only one hand for 50 years. No arthritis at all.
So I can crack away without worry?
As long as it doesn't hurt or swell, you're fine. But maybe don't do it in meetings.